Starting off in the metro area, nice and clear. You might be able to smell some smoke, though, with the marsh fires in New Orleans east. Winds are coming from the southeast today, so that'll kind of push the smoke over the lake area and kind of on the north shore. But otherwise, seeing clear skies over the metro area at this point, though there is some patchy fog, which we'll show you in just a few seconds. Want to show you kind of what's happening this weekend. More fog expected tomorrow morning. We're going to stay warm and humid this weekend, too, through Monday. But we've got some big changes on the horizon starting Tuesday. If you're tired of the warm weather, it is going away by Halloween. So trick-or-treating is going to be chilly. It's going to get so cold that we might actually see some frost on the North Shore by Thursday morning. So here's a look this morning at the visibility. Slidell to Bogalusa. Yes, there is some patchy and dense fog even in South Mississippi. So if you are headed in this direction or leaving from here, give yourself a few extra minutes. But then you notice visibility looks good along I-55 from Macomb to down to Hammond, even through Kenner. Throughout the city, and the lakefront looking good. South Shore also clear visibility, but then closer to Baton Rouge and even our river parishes seeing some patchy and dense fog, also kind of thick near Morgan City. So over the next 2 hours or so, that dense fog advisory will continue till 9 a.m. Just kind of take it easy if you have early morning plans. The rest of today, though, clear skies and sunshine. Warming up to the low to mid 80s this afternoon once again, and we'll see those clearing skies and calmer winds tonight, promoting maybe another round of fog tomorrow morning. High temperatures today, much like the last several days, will jump right back to the mid 80s. Obviously trending quite a bit above average for this time of year, but that is going to change in just a few short days. Tonight, if you have any fun plans, it's going to be nice during the evening hours. Just look out for the patchy fog developing overnight into early tomorrow morning, and it is going to stay muggy with temperatures mostly in the mid 60s on the North Shore and upper 60s, lower 70s on the South Shore getting into tomorrow morning. Quickly showing you the fog on Sunday morning. Can get down to less than a quarter of a mile in terms of our visibility, especially on the North Shore again, but parts of the metro area can see some patchy fog. Again, would be greater impacted by the smoke particles from the marsh fire. So this is something we'll be watching through tomorrow morning. But I think after tomorrow morning, once we get into Monday and next week, we really don't have to worry about fog too much because of this very strong cold front that's going to dive down throughout much of the country and down into the deep south for us going into early next week. It'll actually bring some first snowfall for many across parts of the Great Plains and Midwest through the weekend. We're not going to get any snow, obviously. We're not even going to get much rain. We might get a couple spotty showers from this Monday and Tuesday. We'll see more cloud cover, but really the big dramatic change is how cool we're going to get. We'll go from the 80s this weekend, 80s Monday, 82 Monday, 61 Tuesday. That is a big drop in temperatures. We stay in the 60s midweek, and then we get kind of milder and really just generally spectacular. Getting into Friday, we'll be in the low 70s to finish off the work week. Chance of rain only about 10–20% for a few spotty showers Monday and Tuesday. That's about it. Once the cold front moves in, we dry up Wednesday through the rest of the week. Really, the only big thing is how cold we're going to get during the nights and mornings. So Tuesday morning will be cool, 40s north, 50s south, only topping out near 60 degrees Tuesday afternoon. But then Wednesday morning and Thursday morning, we could see mid 30s on the North Shore. So we could see some frosty spots possible. I think more so Thursday morning when our winds are calmer and we see those temperatures really take a tumble, maybe to the low mid 30s. So North Shore could be dealing with some frost on Thursday morning. That's something we'll be watching. We'll stay warm and muggy, like I've been saying, through Monday. The humidity obviously disappears once we get into Tuesday and the rest of the week. Halloween this year is going to be a chilly one. For trick-or-treating, it will be in the 50s during the evening hours Tuesday night, and it's going to be breezy. So make sure you have those jackets for trick-or-treating. Quickly talking about the tropics, Tammy's going to stay out in the open ocean. This little spot in the southwestern Caribbean, don't have to worry about this. That cold front will take care of that. There might be some enhanced rain chances for the greater Antilles. That's it. Don't have to worry about the tropics in the Gulf of Mexico. Over the next week, just look ahead to chillier days starting Tuesday.